consequences do all that what we already know have for the understanding of the code of ethics? Knowing that intrinsic motivation stems from values and needs which are important for the person, we have to focus on fundamental values and then to work out how they can be transferred into practice. These values are honesty, accountability, integrity, respect, and flexibility. Let's start. Honesty. Is an honest person an honest manager? Not necessarily. To be honest in the company, we need, in addition to the virtue of honesty, knowledge about context, laws of the government and rules, the company's policies and guidelines, and values, such as the company's mission. Turning back to our metaphor, not only having the physical power, but also the knowledge of how to use the ropes can be relevant, and a failure in using them, ethical failure, may result in numerous issues for the company. Accountability. Good managers expect their workers to take responsibility for their actions and for themselves too. However, if you want to give the responsibility, you have to give the employee autonomy too. So here we have another characteristic of the humanistic concept of human nature. This means also answering to the ownership or executive boards when there are problems, accepting the blame, and proposing solutions to avoid future problems. Integrity. Managers who have integrity and perform their work with integrity inspire others to work for them and to follow them. It can be explained by the consistency of their decisions, which cause workers to have greater clarity and trust in them. Moreover, such managers assist employees in reaching their goals. Again, we have a feature of the humanistic concept of human nature, which enhances a supportive coach role as the best way to lead employees. This means, for instance, that the manager sets goals with the employees and asks them for ideas about the best methods to reach them, giving them autonomy. Respect. Managers should not only show respect towards others, but demand it among employees to avoid mobbing, for instance. Respect does not mean hiding emotions and behaving like robots, nor does it mean hiding one's own opinion and personality, but often it can be energetic and decisive, treating others as you would like them to treat you. According to organizational psychological research, the style of managing, caution, decisive, authoritarian, depends to a great extent on employees and on the context. Flexibility. This again refers to one of the assumptions of concepts of human nature, that people are at various stages of development. Therefore, the manager has to adjust his behavior to each of the employees. Good managers show the employees how best to perform their jobs. They monitor workers and offer counsel, which helps the employee to remain productive and the company profitable. So, to summarize, the code of ethics for managers is based on 5 fundamental values: honesty, accountability, integrity, respect, and flexibility, which we have to put into practice. In other words, transforming these values into practical actions.